world's most beautiful roofs. Lifetime guarantee for you. Metal Roofing Headquarters, Mr. HQ.
Hey guys, it's Stefan Boyer again with Metal Roofing Headquarters, and you're watching Mr. HQ TV. Today we're in Gulf Shores looking at an Edco Arrowline Shake metal shingle. We're in the Craft Farms Golf Resort neighborhood. This house is one of the best places, one of the best locations on the entire course. It's on the Cypress Bend course, and it's nestled right in between the 2nd green and the 8th fairway. Whether you're a golfer or not, you have to appreciate this location. Being in Gulf Shores, wind is always a factor, especially with roofing and golf. In fact, it might be the only thing that could straighten out one of my drives. But right here where they're located, being on 2 holes, they have almost no protection against wind. And over the years, the homeowner would constantly have issues with wind damage to the roof. Just a small tropical storm would damage the shingles. After Hurricane Sally, they suffered extensive damage to their roof and decided it was time to go in a different direction. What they landed on was the Edco Shake Roof. It's called an Arrowline Shake, and they went with Statuary Bronze, which is probably the most popular color. It blends in great with the neighborhood. It's pretty inconspicuous color-wise. And from a performance standpoint, the roof's going to hold up through literally anything Mother Nature could throw at it. It's 160 mile-an-hour wind rating, fire rated, it's Class 4 impact rated, and it has a Kynar PVDF coating, which helps preserve that color long term, and it's going to give it great energy efficiency during the long hot summers that you get down here on the Gulf Coast. We'll get into a little more detail in a future video on the technical side of the PVDF coating. So I hope you hang out for a minute, check out some of these drone shots that we bring you. You'll get some great angles of this roof. The details are immaculate. That's enough from me. Come on, let's go check this thing out.
So beautiful and durable too. Save lots of energy with our roof. Metal Roofing Headquarters, Mr. HQ.
Edco Products and Mr. HQ are 2 of the most trusted brands in the metal roofing industry. And as members of the Metal Roofing Alliance, we're committed to building only the highest quality metal roofs using premium materials and skilled craftsmen. At Mr. HQ, every roofing project is managed with honesty and integrity with a sharp attention to detail. So homeowners can rest easy knowing their home and family will be protected for the next 50 years by a beautiful, durable, and energy-efficient metal roof.
Home of the world's most beautiful roofs. Lifetime guarantee for you. Metal Roofing Headquarters, Mr. HQ.
The roof itself was a fairly complicated job. It's got a lot of details, a lot of hips, a lot of valleys. And as you can see, our guys are excellent at installing this roof, and they take a tremendous amount of pride in the finished product. Make sure you pay attention to the little details of how the trim work is done, how nice and neat the valleys look, the hip caps, all of those little finishing touches that really separate a run-of-the-mill installation from one that was done by professionals. This roof uses 100 fasteners per square. Each shingle is 4 feet wide, 1 foot tall, and there's 5 clips per shingle. With that screw pattern, you achieve a 160 mile-an-hour wind rating, although it's going to go through any type of wind that hits it. This roof uses a 3-part ridge vent. It has a starter base with a vent system underneath it, and then it's all capped off by these individual hip and ridge caps. It's one of the most attractive ridge vent systems in all of roofing. It's really camouflaged right into the roof, but it does a great job of ventilating the attic. We used what's called an open valley system on this roof, where you have a valley panel with 2 starter cleats on each side of the valley, and the shingles are hemmed onto those valley cleats. It prevents any type of debris from being captured in the valley, keeps it nice and clean, water flows right out of it. It also prevents any wind or wind-driven rain from being able to get underneath the edge of the shingles and leak. With a hurricane area, obviously you get tremendous amount of wind-driven rain, and this roof is specifically designed to withstand that type of weather event. Now, the roof comes with a 50-year transferable warranty. It's also a lifetime warranty. So what that means is, for the entire life of the homeowner that purchases the roof, It's fully guaranteed. That's labor and materials. So if anything ever goes wrong with the roof, it's a free service call. It gets taken care of, although that almost never happens. Okay, I hope you enjoyed looking at this Edco Arrowline Shake Metal Shingle in Gulf Shores. What a place. Gorgeous roof, incredible house, location to die for. It was an honor to work on this one, and I hope you guys enjoyed looking at it. Again, I'm Stefan Boyer, and you've been watching Mr. HQ TV. I hope you have a great day.
Oh, cool, you're still here. Well, since you're here, you might as well hit that subscribe button right there. And if you like that last video, check out this other one. It's pretty cool too. If you'd like to learn more about these amazing metal roofs, give us a call or visit GulfCoastMetalRoofs.com.